Hey, what's up, everybody? And back with another video. And today we have this roast beef sandwich with this creamy basil and blue cheese mayo, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to get it. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so first I'm just going to slice up my basil. I got some fresh basil that I'm going to add to this blue cheese mayo. I love the combination of like blue cheese and basil, so definitely try it out if you're interested. Also with this blue cheese, I personally love blue cheese and beef together, but you can definitely leave out the blue cheese. I just really love it in here. And if you don't like it as much, you can definitely go in with just like a tablespoon or, a teaspoon or whatever of it, y'all. So to about 3 tablespoons of that blue cheese, I'm going in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo, whatever kind of mayo you prefer. I think this is just Hellmann's mayo. Use Kraft, use Miracle, whatever you have, y'all. Then I'm going in with about a teaspoon to about a teaspoon and a half of horseradish. I'm going in with some black pepper, y'all. And I'm also going in with like a little small drizzle of olive oil. Then, y'all, it's time to add in all that basil that we finally sliced up. I'm going in with a squeeze of a half a lemon, y'all, minus any seeds. I had to fish that seed out a little bit later, y'all. But, y'all, this is what that blue cheese and basil mayo is looking like, y'all. So, sit it to the side. And now, y'all, it is time to really just build this sandwich up, y'all. So, to 2 hero rolls, I am just laying on that blue cheese mayo thickly. That is how I like my sandwiches. I love a whole lot of like sauce and juice and all that, y'all. So use as much or as little as you prefer, y'all. Then I'm going in with some arugula and baby spinach mixture. And I really just wanted plain arugula, but I didn't really find any that looked appealing to me. So I just got this right here. But if you want to, definitely just go with plain arugula. You could even use, romaine lettuce, iceberg lettuce, whatever you have is honestly fine. But arugula really has a lot of those peppery notes that I really love with roast beef. So now, y'all, it is time that you're going with those juicy tomatoes. It is almost tomato season. I cannot wait till I go back home to Maryland and get some tomatoes and all that good stuff, y'all. So pile on those juicy tomatoes, y'all, but you cannot forget to season them. So I season mine with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper as well, y'all. So now I'm just piling on that roast beef onto both of these hero rolls, y'all. And I just love roast beef sandwiches. In high school and even in middle school, they used to have roast beef sandwiches as an option for lunch with a little a la carte little situation. We thought we were doing something back in the day. But, y'all, I used to love roast beef sandwiches, so that is why I'm making this today for y'all, just to show you my little, elevated take on it. So I'm going in with some jalapeno pepper jack cheese that I picked up, as well as some smoked provolone cheese, y'all. I love the combination of that provolone with that spicy jalapeno pepper jack cheese. Also going in with some banana peppers on that side of the sandwich, y'all, as well as some fresh sliced red onions, y'all. And now it's time to hope that nothing falls out when you flip it over, y'all. But now you just want to flip the sandwiches over, y'all, and it is time to cut into these things so we can get to eating, y'all. Alright, y'all, so of course I gotta show you that close-up shot that I know you want to see. And this is what this sandwich is looking like, y'all, with that blue cheese mayo oozing out the top and all the other ingredients, y'all. And now, of course, I gotta show you what this thing is looking like on the inside. This sandwich is so good, y'all. All of those different flavors with the basil, blue cheese mayo, y'all. And then you have the peppery arugula with the roast beef and the cheeses and the spiciness from banana peppers and that jalapeno pepper jack cheese. Y'all, this roast beef sandwich is so elevated and just so good. Definitely try it out, y'all. So, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. Hope you liked the video and all that good stuff. You can hit the like button. Of course, you can share the video. And you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, because I'll be posting more videos just like this every single week, y'all. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. And thank y'all so much for watching. Definitely appreciate it.